Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make traditional potato salad. First, select about 2 pounds of starchy potatoes like russets for that classic creamy texture. Boil them in salted water until they are fork tender, which usually takes 15 to 20 minutes. Once cooked, let them cool completely before peeling and cutting them into uniform 1-inch cubes. This ensures even mixing and a delightful bite in every spoonful. Now let's craft that irresistible creamy dressing. In a large bowl, whisk together 1 cup of good quality mayonnaise with 2 tablespoons of Dijon mustard for a tangy kick. Next, fold in 1/4 cup of finely chopped celery and 1/4 cup of red onion, adding a pleasant crunch and subtle sharpness. Finish with 2 tablespoons of apple cider vinegar and 1 teaspoon of salt, adjusting to your taste. With your potatoes and dressing ready, it's time to bring it all together. Carefully pour the creamy dressing over the cooled potato cubes, folding gently to avoid mashing them. Incorporate 2 chopped hard-boiled eggs and 1/4 cup of fresh dill for extra flavor and texture. Once everything is well combined, cover the bowl and refrigerate the potato salad for at least 2 hours. This chilling time allows the flavors to meld beautifully. Before serving your delicious traditional potato salad, give it a final flourish. Garnish with a sprinkle of paprika for color and a bit more fresh dill for aroma. Take a moment to taste and adjust any seasonings, adding a pinch more salt or pepper if desired. This salad is perfect for picnics, barbecues, or any gathering. For more great recipes and to explore new worlds, check the description for a link to the Kindle Paperwhite and other fantastic deals. Enjoy your homemade masterpiece.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.